Good afternoon. It's EMS Automotive Products from Detroit, Michigan. Yes, Detroit, that's where you're supposed to make car parts, not China. And we make sheet metal for Chevrolet 1935 to 1954. Our phone number is 248-546-0232. Our website is
EMSautomotive.com.
And today we're talking specifically about 1949 to 1952 Chevrolet sheet metal. 4-door rocker panels, the rear doors. Very popular car in the lowrider. We like our lowrider customers. We know you like the 4 doors. We're going to make EMS 4-door rocker panels for you, the ones that fit correctly, not the garbage they sell on those FACO auction sites. We're going to show our parts today, and we're going to do a little design review. Obviously, you can see we got a hunk of a 4-door Chevy here. This is a 1950 that we pulled out of Kansas. Okay, what we're going to start is obviously the rear door on the 4-door Chevy, the rocker panel. It has the bulge. We all know it. The bulge is in the door and it closes. It's not an easy rocker panel. Yeah, a lot of guys can bend up something on a cheap Chinese tool called a rocker panel, but they can't get the curves like EMS. We got our own engineering shop. We got our own tool and die shop. We got our own factories all in Detroit. Here, this is the 4-door rocker panel. It has the bulge. It has the bulge smooth. It has the flange. It has the door flange all smooth. And it has an offset. It sits in here like this. Okay, it's sitting on a table. We're a little bit off. This is your outer, what we call the outer rocker panel. Okay, the interesting thing about the 4-door rear door rocker panel, because of the bulge in the door, the floor pan had to be bulged out to meet this. And this is what we call the top plate. The top plate goes over here. It's kind of the top of the rocker. It was made wider because Chevrolet had to fill the gap because they brought they had to conform to the bulge. So this is the top plate. The top plate goes on top of this here to make your rocker pan. Notice how it fits all together. Okay, whether you want to put it inside or outside, it depends how you want to fit the car. We put it on the outside like this. Clamp it together. It'll fit in there real nice. This will make this section. Okay, lefts and rights, it's made like this, so it goes to the doorpost, easy to install. Some people say, oh, this Chinese guy's got this tissue paper long rock. It ain't gonna make it through shipping. Anything wrong, our wonderful shipping people, we love them, but they'll bend anything up, okay? We make it so you can put it on easy. Notice there's a lot going on here. You don't want to be worried about something over here. It splits at the doorpost, although this car was cut off a little bit sooner. It splits at the doorpost, and you put it on and you fit it to your door so your door closes. There's a lot of things that happens in this area, and people ask me for a lot of parts in this. We got the rocker pan, we got the top plate. Along here, this area along here, the door closes. This is what they call the dog leg. And the dog leg is going to be this surface, and part of this surface. Yes, it rusts out. It catches the dirt on the back. And it all rusts out in one piece right here. EMS, we don't have it right now. It is under works. We'll have it soon. But I want you to understand what the different terms are for the many pieces that are in here. Yes, there's an inner rocker. We've got an inner rocker for behind the rocker panel. No problem. We have it. Not an issue. We got an inner rocker panel that goes behind this. Okay, so we got the rocker panel. We got the top plate. We have the dog leg. This bulge here looks like it's part of the inner wheel tub, but it isn't. It's a separate piece. The inner wheel tub is a separate, so there's actually a double wall piece in here. Okay, this is just what we're calling the door jamb area. Okay, it'll also be available by EMS very shortly. So this door jamb area, very big bulge, goes all the way in. The seat goes up to here. The seat's in here. We'll let the cameraman walk around to the back side a little bit and you can see it. And so you got your trim panel, you got the seats over here, your seat cushion, you got an armrest, the door closes in here. All of this is the inner door jamb area. It's going to be a big piece, going to be available from EMS. This is actually the wheel tub that you see here. This is sitting on top. This is a little part of your floor pan. Your back seat is here. Your back seat cushion is coming up here. And you can see the extra wide top of the rocker. You can see where the floor pan ends. This is your top plate. That's part of your rocker panel. Here's your inner door jamb, and you go back to the outside where the dog leg is. Okay, so it's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces to repair this area. We got 3 right now to ship to you. EMSautomotive.com is our website. Look us up. You'll see lots of pictures of all our parts. You've already found our videos, so you're almost all the way there. You know, you don't have to buy online. You can always call us at 248-546-0232. EMS Automotive, Detroit, Michigan, where car parts are supposed to be made.